I'm going to do an overview on how to add widgets to your dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard is empty. You can add widgets to your dashboard by going to a folder or to a test suite. Here I'm going to navigate to my Sales Tools project. As you can see, I have multiple folders. I can add a summary. For example, the website folder contains multiple folders, and each one of those folders has folders and test suites. For example, this regression folder has 3 test suites within. What I can do is I can go back to the projects page, and if I wanted to see an overview of all test results within the website folder, I can just click on this pin button here, and you will see a message up here saying that the folder summary has been added to the dashboard. If I navigate back to the dashboard, you'll see that I have a summary with the total number of tests within that folder, how many have passed, failed, and had errors. This is a summary of the latest test results. If I wanted to navigate back to that folder, you can simply click on it, and then you will be taken back to the folder, the website folder in this case. You can also add a chart to your dashboard. You had the summary that we looked at earlier, or you can add a chart. In this case, it's the same view, but in a chart form. So you can do the same thing, click on the pin button, and now if you go back to your dashboard, you'll be able to see a summary of all the test results within that folder. Clicking on it will take you back, and now you can navigate to one of the test suites, for example. If I wanted to add a test suite to my dashboard, I can select one of these pin buttons. When you add a test suite, what you're basically adding is a summary, in this case, a summary of the latest test results for that test suite. For example, if I click on the home page and then I navigate back to the dashboard, you'll see that it will display the latest test result for that test suite. You can see that the icon is different, and the total number of tests pass, fail, and etc. for that test suite. So every day as you load test results, you can navigate to the dashboard and see the latest test results for that test suite. If you click on the test result, you will be taken to the detailed view for that run result, where you can see the summary or the detail if you expand and collapse. If you wanted to see a chart view, you can also go back to that view, and instead of selecting the summary, you can just select the chart view. So in this case, it was a home page. You can just pin the chart and then go back. And now you see that the chart with the latest test results is now displaying on your dashboard. You can navigate back to your run result. You can also add certain trends, or basically trends, to your dashboard. You can do the same thing by just clicking on the pin button. You can pin the execution trend for the home page test suite, for example, the pass rate trend, and the execution time. You can easily remove them from the dashboard by just unchecking from here, or you can navigate back to your dashboard clicking on this button here on the wrench, and then removing the widget that you no longer want to see on your home page. If you wanted to add different suites, you can do that too. In this case, if I wanted to add this a regression chart, for example, I can just add this one for the regression test suite. And now we have home page and we also have regression. You can have as many charts as you want, and you can navigate and see more details by clicking on them, and you can also remove them right from here. The notifications widget is also here, and by clicking on it you'll be able to see a summary of all the activity um, on the website.